Optimole 4.0 was just released, and it's a massive update to the previous version. So this video is a walkthrough of some of Optimole's brand new features. We'll begin with lazy loading. In version 4.0, we now have an option to have the plugin load all images within your viewport immediately. All other images on the page will then be lazy loaded. So the initial viewport is the visible area on a web page on a device when it first loads before any scrolling happens. So in our case, all of the content we can see here falls within the initial viewport. Updates have also been made to compression settings, and the options have been streamlined with the inclusion of intelligent presets. Use speed for maximum performance or quality for pixel perfect images. For full and precise control, you might want to use the options in the Custom tab. Another brand new feature in this version is the ability to rename and replace images. Here's an example. We're here in our media library and we have this image. I'm going to click on Edit. Now let's scroll all the way down till we see a section powered by Optimole. Here I can go ahead and type in a new name, and on the right hand side, I'll click on rename. And just like that, we'll see that the name has now changed. We can also replace this image with a different one. In the replace file section, I'm going to click here, and let's select an image from a folder on my computer. Let's click on open, and if we click on replace file, this image will replace the previous one, and unfortunately, this cannot be reversed. Let's move on to our next feature, sub-API keys. In settings, if we go to API keys, we can go ahead and click on create a new key. You'll need to name your key. So I'm going to call mine Team B Access. We'll click on create key one more time. And now we have a sub API key, which we can use to give a team or a client access to our media. For example, if we go to library, and here we have the all images tab where we could see all of our media, but we want to go to folders. So here I have 3 folders. But I'm going to use the one called icons. So to share this with a team, I'll simply click on the share icon. Then we'll see 2 options. We have our main site and Team B access. I'm going to click on this one. I'll save it. And now that team will have access to this folder as long as they are using the correct API key. Moving on to the next brand new feature. Optimole now supports native video integration, and this basically allows you to manage, embed, and display videos from your Optimole digital asset management library. Here's a quick demonstration. I have a folder here called videos. Now this folder is currently empty, so what I'm going to do is upload a video from my computer to this folder. So I'm going to drag one from my second screen to this area right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and upload this. After uploading, it's going to get processed. And I'm just going to jump right to the part where that processing is complete. So here's our video thumbnail. I'm going to click on it, and that will open up a preview where we can see our video, and we have some information here on the side. This is our URL. So I'm going to copy it and embed it in a WordPress page using the Optimole video block. Now let's paste the URL and click on embed. And we're going to see a live preview of our video right inside of the block editor. Any changes made to your video settings will be shown in real time. For example, you can decide to change the aspect ratio. There is an option to loop the video, and you can also hide the video controls bar. And if we look up above these options, we have another tab with an option to change the color of our controls. So for example, I'm going to make this green, and we'll see an instant reflection of this change in our video preview. And once published, this video will be streamed directly from Optimole CDN, not from your own server, which improves performance and reduces bandwidth usage. And finally, the last feature that we are going to cover in this update is the ability for you to earn more monthly visits simply by sharing your referral code. So if you go to referrals, you'll see a code that you can go ahead and copy and share with your audience or friends, and each successful referral will earn you an extra 500 visits per month. Okay, so we have just covered a few of Optimole's biggest updates from version 4.0. You can find a link to the full changelog in the description down below, and for more information, go to optimole.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.